The following video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, and I hope that everyone is doing their best to stay as safe as possible. Alright, now this video that I'm doing is to let you know about some things that happened within the country of Jamaica. Alright. Two security guards had been shot during a robbery that happened at a place that is known as the Public Sector Cooperative Credit Union. That is at the place that is known as Caribbean Estate. That is within Portmore, St. Catherine. That is within the country known as Jamaica. According to reports, it is said that the incident happened on the 16th of March, the year 2021. And according to reports, it is said that the two security guards who had been shot are said to be employees of the Archive Security. And according to reports, it is said that one of the security guards had succumbed to his injuries, and it is said that the other security guard had been hospitalized. According to reports, it is said that it is not clear if the robbers made off with any cash, but however, it is said that the robbers stole the two security guards' guns. It is said that the police acted on information and chased the robbers who were traveling in a Nissan motor vehicle, and it is said that the Nissan motor vehicle crashed at the intersection of Salt Pond Road and the Spanish Town bypass, and it is said that the robbers abandoned the vehicle, and it is said that the police are searching for those persons who are said to be the robbers who abandoned that vehicle, and other things have been said about the incident and what happened, is what I'm saying to you. I also saw pieces of videos circulating on social media that shows the scene of the incident. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you pieces of these videos that shows the scene of the incident, and by presenting these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, maybe you might get a better understanding as to what happened. Alright, now before I present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that these pieces of videos contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Oh, shucks. Christ. You never know. You never can turn up the song along.
Turn him over.
Shit. Oh, shucks.
Quick, carry.
Yeah, my bleed out. Somebody can't stop the bleeding. Clot.
Yeah, what the red bands up?
Can't move.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Pieces of videos that shows the scene of an incident where it is said that two security guards had been shot during a robbery, and it is said that one of the security guards had succumbed to his injuries, and it is said that the other security guard had been hospitalized. Alright, and I'm going to move on to another topic, you see. Now, I saw a video circulating on social media that shows two persons who both attacked each other with machetes. You see me? It is said that at one point, one of the two persons did not have a machete, and it is said that one person who had a machete tried to injure the person who did not have a machete, and at some point, the other person went for his machete, and then both persons attacked each other with machetes. You see me? Now, I did some research to see if I could get some information about the incident shown in the video. You see me? And according to some information that I got, it is said that at least one of the two persons had been injured, and it is said that the incident happened within the country of Jamaica. But however, I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica the incident happened. You see what I'm saying to you? I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly when the incident happened either. But however, I'm going to present to you a piece of the entire video that is circulating on social media, so that you, my viewers and subscribers, might get a better understanding as to what happened. You see me? Yeah, this video is being talked about on social media. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video, they are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
No, I'm going nice, you know. Next thing, man, check out what we have to do. We have to go back. Yo, General. Now we come on the wide basket to blood clot.
Yeah, man, you can't tell him, man, you don't need weapon, because man, do that man differently too. Yeah, well, you make it cool. Yo, you just have to
The blood clot. Yo, the car will save the man. Oh, the one, the car will save the man.
Alright, so there have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. And you can let me know what to think about the videos that I presented to you or the incidents that I talked to you about. Alright, and I want to say to each and every one to stay safe, wash your hands, protect yourself and others from the COVID-19, wear your mask, and follow the rules and the laws of your countries. Alright, no matter where you are in the world, is what I'm saying to you. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.